Hi there, my name is Joelle Masseri, and I'm a digital engineer with the Nevada Digital Learning Collaborative. And along with my colleague, Christia Osborne Preston, today we're going to discuss how you can meet the needs of diverse learners, specifically using Microsoft's Immersive Reader. So what is Microsoft's Immersive Reader? Do you have students who are reading below grade level? Do you have English language learners who struggle with reading? Do you have parents who speak another language and have a hard time communicating with them? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then Microsoft's Immersive Reader is what you're looking for. Immersive Reader can read line by line or word by word, and it can be translated into 60 different languages. Where can you find it? Well, it's available in all Microsoft Suite products, as well as integrations with Canvas, Merge VR, Wonderopolis, Microsoft Education Edition, Buncee, Wakelet, PowerSchool, ThingLink, and Nearpod. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how it works and where you can find it. So our example will be in Flipgrid. And so taking a look, here you have your prompt in Flipgrid. The Immersive Reader is this icon right here. It's that book with the speaker. When I click on it, it will go ahead, it'll pull it up, and I can go ahead and read it.
Bailey loves to hike up Las Vegas mountains. She decided to hike up Lone Mountain, a smaller mountain in Las Vegas that is 3,000.
So right there, that's pretty fantastic. If I click on text preferences, I can increase the font, I can decrease the font depending upon student needs, changing the type of font, and then of course adjusting the contrast is another excellent accommodation. When I come over here to reading preferences, this is where I can say, okay, I want to read line by line. I want to read maybe 3 lines of text, 5 lines of text.
3,300 feet high. During her hike,
I can also go ahead and translate it to one of 60 different languages. So this is fantastic, not only for your students, but also for parents if you need to communicate with them. So you can go ahead and pick the language that you're looking for, and then say you want to read it by document, and it'll go ahead and translate it.
Бейли любит путешествовать пешком по горам Лас-Вегаса. Она решила подняться.
Pretty powerful, isn't that? So when I go back to English, I can also change parts of speech, and I can go ahead and find that as well.
Lone Mountain.
To do that, when I click on grammar options, let's say, for example, I'm studying only nouns, I can go ahead and it'll identify the nouns while it's reading.
A smaller mountain in Las Vegas,
which is pretty powerful. So you can do verbs, adjectives, adverbs. You can also break it by syllables.
Las Vegas, that is 3,300 feet high.
So incredibly powerful. So what you're looking for is you're looking for that icon with the book and the speaker. If you have any questions at all, feel free to go ahead and email us. We would love to hear from you, and thank you so much.